So we have some containers for sugar, tea, decaf tea, and coffee. And the problem I'm finding is these little caps here, little knob handles to take the lid off, always come loose. They fall off. The thread is really crappy, and I'd like to replace them. So my plan is to take some of these rocks, drill a nice big hole in them, and then insert these little threaded pieces inside, and then I could screw them on. If it's going to work, I have no idea. First thing I have to do is drill holes in the rock, and that'll let me know if I can go any farther. And there you have it. It worked. I used different kinds of rocks. The pudding stone on this one. Just Lake Superior rocks on the other two. And on this one, I used a piece of amethyst. So it worked out really well. All I did was use a core bit, drill to the proper size of that threaded sleeve. I used E6000 to glue it in. Let it dry, and we are good to go. So if you want to try something like that, it's really easy to do. And if you have any ideas for stuff like this, please let me know, and I'll see if I can make something. And please hit that like and subscribe and that notification bell if you want to see more videos like this. Lots of cool ideas to come, lots of things to make. We will see you soon. Take care.